What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to export your audio file to mp3 using Adobe Audition. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After recording your voice or importing an audio file, make sure to apply the changes and effects you want to make. And in order to export your audio when in waveform view, then navigate to File, Export and then File, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift and E. On this window, you have the option to change your file name, save location, and below, click on this arrow icon to open up the Format drop-down menu. Here, select mp3 audio in case you want to export your audio in mp3 format. This will compress your audio file into a format which is keeping a lot of quality and is usable in most software applications. Keep the sample rate and format settings as they are, and below, you can preview the estimated file size before exporting the audio. In multi-track view, navigate to File, Export, and here select Multi-track Mixdown and then Selected Clips, which will only export the highlighted parts of your multi-track session, or select Entire Session, which will in turn export everything. Again here, you can change the file name, save location, and change the format to mp3 audio. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.